It is beautiful out here today. Out on Hog Hill Cemetery. How often I videotape a cemetery, but this is an ancient Hog Hill. Beautiful place. Captain Nymphis Wright and Hannah, wife of Nymphis Wright. Interesting name. Body of Joseph Parker. Interesting. Lydia Joseph Hurd, captain, died in 1791 under a Johnson stone. A bunch of broken up stones here, all beautiful Johnson pieces. 1750 something, 9 months old. The little footstone still here. And a family plot in the corner. This would be the Harris family. And why the Harrises? In memory of Martha, daughter of Deacon Benjamin and Mrs. Esther Harris, died in April 1753. And we've got John, the son of Deacon Benjamin, and departed in June 1761. 15 years, 3 weeks, 3 days, yikes. And here is Benjamin himself, died in 1775. And Esther, his dear wife, 1786. There is no against over the years. These are not really early stones. 1700, not super early. Here we got the body of Samuel Young, departed October 27th. Can't read the year. Just beautiful mush on it. Got some other interesting broken up stones over here. Revolutionary James Smith, Captain Tyler's Company, died July 1st, 1778, age 17. Oh my gosh. Revolutionary War, Elijah Smith, Captain. Company, 1797 55. When he died. Here you got some old field stones just sitting there. Just the stones themselves, you know. This is the old area of the cemetery, because it's clearly, I'm sure this place is full, but the stones are long gone. Here we got 1786, who we got here? Freeman's. Captain Cornelius and Samuel Freeman, died 1749 and 1764, Freeman's. Here we got 1769, Rebecca, wife of Wally Adams. Stone turning that way. Interesting turn to another stone. Here. 1749, Daniel Higgins. That stone's still there. This is a pretty stone right here. It's Daniel Brainerd, 1748, 13 years of age, son. These are kid stones. Another one here. Body of Nathaniel Spencer. He must have been a little tyke too. Oh my gosh. Hubbard. Interesting. Memory of Lieutenant George Hubbard, died October 16, 1791, age 87. French Indian War. George Hubbard, Captain Whitmore's company, died October 17th, age 87. Memory of Mary Hubbard, wife of Lieutenant George, died in 1789 at 84. George, son of George and Methable Hubbard. I wonder what Methable was. 1790. Well, kids. French and Indian War. We had a lot of French and Indian War people here. John Parker departed life June 23rd AD, 1761, 61st year of age. These gentlemen answered on Hog Hill. They really did, and I love it. John, he was part of Captain Gaylord's company. And I love how Lieutenant Hubbard has the cross and sabers on the top of his stone. Very cool. Let's go. The John Isham stone turned also to the east. One of Isham's earlier stones. I really can't read it right here. You can see it's in the schist with his little nose. It's a footstone that's foiled. But here's a footstone right here for Deborah Higgins. The brownstone, which is interesting. And here we have another stone down. There's Anne, late wife of John Taylor, 1759. Then the Stancliffe stone. There are Johnson stones for John Taylor from 1761. Another Johnson stone. These are later stones. This one's completely rotted away, unfortunately. And you've got stones. Again, later 1789s, 1800s. You got some basic stones here that were sort of mass produced toward the end of the century, beginning of the new century. Here we have a nice Stancliffe stone from 1750 something. The body of Abigail, daughter of Jonathan and Deborah, who died March 17 something, 18 years of her age. And I'm sorry. And then over here we got Thomas Smith and these cool stones, Stancliffe stones. Later Stancliffes though, 1763. Here we have Ralph Smith, departed April 8th, 1763 in the 82nd year of his age. And you have down below, behold all you that do pass by, as you are now, for once was I. As I am now, so you must be. Prepare for death and follow me. And here's Ralph's wife Mary. She departed in 1744. Nice Stancliffe stones with the little pinwheels, rosettes, but not done very, very well. They're one of the younger Stancliffes, next generation. And a big elaborate stone here for Enoch Smith, part of Captain Bueller's company. He died in 1782 at the age of 36. Beautiful, beautiful stone. And his footstone also. Here we have three stones facing the other way, all from the 1800s. The Smith family. And another one also later on. Sarah, she's facing the other way, her footstone broken on the ground also. Bottom stones. The Selden. Augustus Selden. And the one little table stone, also in limestone. It's difficult to read really, but we got a marker in the front. Revolutionary War, Richard Mayo. He died in 1813 at the age of 81. Hog Hill Cemetery, folks. Absolutely beautiful. At one time it was God's country, looking out over the hills through here. Right now, interesting, it's the first time I've really done the video file for a cemetery. The old entrance, gorgeous. Hunks of granite, big pieces. The original hardware is still on there. And yeah, Hog Hill Cemetery, established 1742. And it's just really a nice, glorious spot for the coming of the new.